Hi, I'm Connie Mestis, and today we are going to learn to play the Hallelujah Chorus that was written by George Friedrich Handel. Okay, this is where your hands are going to start. Your pinky's going to start right in the middle of these two black keys up here, right there. Now, if you rest one finger on each key, then you're in place right there. Okay, ready? We're going to start right here, and we hold this one kind of long. This D. Now we come to A, which is right here, and then A, B, A. And then we just do that again. Hold that for long. Okay, now we just kind of play around with these two notes. We do two quick, then up, down. And do it again. Okay, now right here where we are on this A, we switch to your pinky, and we're going to play a sharp right here in the middle, F sharp. Do two E's. There you go. Let's go and write that down. Okay, here on the melody, we start right here with the D, and we hold that D for quite a while. D, and then A, B, A. And then we just repeat that again. D, A, B, A. Okay, we'll call that kind of the first section. Down here on the next line is where we play around a little bit with that A and B. We'll play two quick A's, A, B, A, B, A. And now we just switch fingers. We play the A again. A, G, F, and this is a sharp, and two E's. I'll kind of squish them in here at the end of the row, and then we end on D. Okay, now I'm going to go back and change the color to red and write in the fingers that we're going to use. We start with your right hand pinky. That's number 5. 2, 3, 2. Same thing again because it just repeats. Now we just 2, 2, 3, 2. 2, 2, 3, 2. Now we switch, and whenever there's a switch, I draw little lines around it just to catch your attention. Make sure you do the switch. 5, 4, whoops. 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1. Okay, we'll go back over to the piano. We'll play through that from the beginning. Switch. Okay, now for the next little section. We start back here on the A, but now we hop back up to our thumb on A. And if you just rest all your fingers, that's where we're going to be. Except when we play this C, it's going to be up on a black key, the C sharp. So hold A for a long time, then B, then C sharp, then kind of quickly you'll do D down to thumb on A, back up to D. Okay, another D to C sharp, and then B, and then A. Okay, that's the new little section. And then we just repeat what we already did this. A, A, B, A, B, A, switch to your pinky. We already know that part. So let's go to the paper and write down that new section. Okay. Got to switch it back to the blue because we're drawing the notes. All right, so we start here on A, and this is where we hold the A for quite a while. 4 counts, in fact. And then B, and then C sharp, D, A, D, and we hold this D at the top, and then we play another D. D, C sharp, B, held for 2 counts, and then A, held for 2 counts. Let's put in the fingering. It's going to start with your thumb. Okay, your thumb ended up here on D, so that's a jump. We switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down to your thumb, and then back to 4, 4 again, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now let me just change to like a bright green. We're going to call this section A. This line is our section B. Now we've played section C. At the end of section C, we repeat section B again. So you just go back to B and play that again. Okay, now let's go to the piano and see what we do after we've gone back and repeated section B. When we come back, we'll be ready for that. Okay, after the section B, oh, you're going to love this. We just repeat section C again. Long time. And then almost like B, switch. In fact, it is. It's all just like B. Okay, are you ready? Let's go over and see how we can write that down. Okay, so after we've done that, then we would just repeat section C. Oops, I'm going to do that in bright green. We repeat section C. And then we repeat section B, and that's the end. So there's not much to learn once you learn section A and B and C. You're just repeating a lot of these. So congratulations. Practice through that so you are really good at it. I'd love to hear you play it too.